Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the inconvenience. Flight 482 has been canceled due to a technical glitch affecting the aircraft systems. Unfortunately, we are unable to rebook passengers on another flight at this time, as all available flights are fully booked. A full refund will be processed within 24 hours.
Oh no, this can't be happening. The flight's canceled.
This is unbelievable. What do we do now?
We made it just in time.
Barely. Traffic was a nightmare.
At least we're here now. Our flight board's in 40 minutes.
Good. I still need coffee before we leave.
Priorities.
Always. Oh, right? Excuse me.
First, let's check in our luggage.
Right. The counter should be over there.
Good morning. We'd like to check these bags.
Of course. May I see your passports and tickets, please? Here you go. Thank you. Please place your bags on the scale. Okay. Weights confirmed. Tagging now. You're both checked in now. Here are your boarding passes.
Great. Thank you.
What's our gate?
Gate B12. We should hurry.
Security first.
Shoes off, laptop out, phones, charger, please.
Of course, officer.
Okay, getting my stuff out.
Need a hand?
No, I've got it. Laptop, phone, charger. Shoes off, that's better.
You always forget your belt.
Oh, right. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem. Better safe than sorry.
Please place the tray on the conveyor belt.
Sending it through.
Please step through the metal detector. Sure thing. Arms up, please. Okay. You're all clear. Have a safe flight. Thanks.
Hello. Please step to the side for a quick check. Of course. Arms up, please. Hold still. Scan complete. You're clear to proceed. Thank you. Security check was faster than I expected.
Right, that was smoother than usual.
Now can we get coffee?
Let's check the screen first.
Gate B12. Wait.
What happened?
It says delayed.
Yeah, it shows a 30-minute delay. It's not great, but still manageable though.
Coffee first, stress later.
Now that sounds like a plan.
We finally made it to gate B12. Let's wait for the boarding announcement.
Let's grab a seat while we wait.
This airport is packed today.
Yeah, looks like everyone's traveling. Did you bring the presentation file?
Yep, laptop, backup drive, and cloud copy.
You think of everything.
Someone has to. Attention passengers on Flight 482 to Chicago. Please remain near the gate for an important update.
That doesn't sound promising.
Yeah, I have a bad feeling about this. Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for the inconvenience. Flight 482 has been canceled due to a technical glitch affecting the aircraft systems. Unfortunately, we are unable to rebook passengers on another flight at this time, as all available flights are fully booked. A full refund will be processed within 24 hours.
Canceled? Seriously?
No way, this can't be happening.
Oh,
A glitch? How does that even happen? Time to find another way there.
our meeting is tomorrow morning.
I know. Let's stay calm.
Easy for you to say.
Panicking won't help. Let's make a plan.
Okay, what are our options?
We could try another airline, but since it's already last minute, those flights are probably full. Another option is to attend the meeting remotely.
I seriously can't think right now.
Or I have an idea. Let's fly to Wisconsin and continue to Chicago by car or train.
Wisconsin, interesting, why there?
It's about a 2-hour flight there and then around 2 hours to Chicago from Wisconsin. What do you think?
Great idea! Let's speak to the airline staff directly.
They may be able to solve our problem.
Exactly, they have all the information.
Let's go find them now.
Do you think there are any seats left tonight for Wisconsin?
Maybe, but let's ask.
I just hope we make that meeting.
One step at a time. Hi, can you help us with our canceled flight? We need to get to Chicago as soon as possible. Of course, let me check the next available options for you. The last flights to Chicago tonight are already full. I'm sorry. Could you please check if there are any available flights to Wisconsin for the two of us? We urgently need to get to Chicago for an important meeting. I understand. Let me see what I can do. Good news. I do have 2 seats available on a 2 a.m. flight to Wisconsin. Would that work for you? Yes, that works perfectly. Please book those tickets for us. I've confirmed both seats on the 2 a.m. flight to Wisconsin. Here are your updated boarding passes.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
Since the cancellation was caused by a technical glitch, we'll need a place to stay tonight. Is the airline providing hotel accommodations? At the moment, I can offer meal vouchers, but hotel rooms are limited.
We understand, but this wasn't weather-related. It was an aircraft issue.
Right, and we're traveling for work. We need to be rested and back here early in the morning. I understand your concern. We're not trying to be difficult. We're just asking for a fair solution. Could you please check one more time? Give me a moment. Let me see what's available. Of course, thank you.
Yeah, no rush.
I do see a few partner hotels near the airport, but they're filling up quickly. If you can secure one of those rooms for us, that would help a lot. Let me contact them. One moment, please.
I hope we're in luck.
Good news. I was able to reserve 1 room at the airport hotel.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much. I'll also include shuttle information and meal vouchers.
Meal vouchers too? You just saved our night.
I'm glad I could help. Safe travels tomorrow.
Welcome.
Hi, we have a reservation under Lisa.
Let me pull that up. Yes, I see your booking. May I have your ID, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. One moment while I validate this. All set. I see this is a short stay.
Yes, our flight is at 2 a.m.
So we just need the room for a few hours. I'll make sure your check-in is quick and arrange a flexible checkout for you.
That would be great. Also, is there an airport shuttle available?
Yes, we have a shuttle running every 30 minutes. I recommend taking the 12:30 a.m. shuttle to reach the airport on time. Perfect. That works for us. Here are your room keys. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a comfortable stay and safe travels. Finally, I needed this. What a day.
I know. Let's just reset for a few hours.
I still can't believe our flight got canceled.
Yeah, but at least we found a way.
Flying to Wisconsin was a smart move.
True. 2 hours there, then a drive to Chicago. It's not ideal, but it works.
Exactly. We just need to stay focused and get some rest. What time should we leave?
The shuttle is at 12:30 a.m., so we should be ready by 12:15.
That's a long wait. What do we do until then?
First, we rest. Then maybe grab some food, set alarms, and organize everything for tomorrow.
Good plan. I don't trust myself to wake up. I'm setting at least 3 alarms.
Same here. Missing a 2 a.m. flight would be a disaster.
All right, I'm going to lie down for a bit. Wake me up if I oversleep.
Don't worry, I've got it. Let's rest for a bit.
Time to go. Are you ready?
All set. Let's go.
Perfect timing. The shuttle's here.
Great. Let's go.
We're right on schedule.
Yeah, we already checked in yesterday, so let's head straight to security.
Yeah, it's great we already have our boarding passes.
That saves us time. Let's go.
Flight 510 to Wisconsin. Passengers in Group A may board at this time.
That's us.
Good morning. Boarding passes, please. Here you go. Thank you. You're all set. Have a great flight. Thanks.
First time flying?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Me too. The view is amazing.
It is.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seats and buckle up.
Better buckle up.
Good idea. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened. All set, thank you. Wonderful.
Smooth flight so far.
Don't jinx it.
Okay. It's going great.
That's better. Let's hope it stays that way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in Wisconsin shortly. Please return your seats to the upright position and fasten your seatbelts.
We made it.
Touchdown, finally.
Told you we'd get here.
Looks like we finally made it to baggage claim.
Yeah, I see bags coming out.
I think I see yours.
I see yours too.
Yesterday was chaos.
Today is a new day.
I'm glad I wasn't alone in this.
Same here.
We need a cab to Chicago, please.
Sure. Where exactly in Chicago are you headed?
Downtown, near the business district.
Got it. It's about a 2-hour drive from here.
That's fine. We're in a bit of a hurry.
No problem. I'll get your luggage loaded.
Thank you.
This already feels better than yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was rough.
Honestly, I don't think we'd be here without you.
I just stayed calm and figured it out. Nothing special.
It was more than that. You made it happen.
Well, thank you. I'll take that.
Great work on the presentation.
Thanks, yours too. I think we'll definitely get this project.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, bye everyone.
Thanks for watching.
See you again.